Hey there, beautiful soul. Welcome back to our little corner of cozy creativity. Today, we're going to learn to wonderful crochet stitches that will level up your projects with texture and magic. The Front Post Double Crochet and the Back Post Double Crochet.so. Take a deep breath and let's get stitching. Before we jump into the post stitches, let's quickly warm up with a basic double crochet, yarn over. Insert into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through to loops, yarn over, pull through the last two. Nice and easy, like a deep breath for your hands. Front Post Double Crochet. Alright, here's where the magic begins. The Front Post Double Crochet hugs the stitch from the front. It's like giving your previous row a little crochet hug. Yarn over. Instead of inserting your hook into the top of the stitch, insert it around the post from the front. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through to loops. Yarn over, pull through to more loops. See that beautiful ridge? It's like a tiny mountain popping out to say hello. post double crochet. And now, meet the front post's mysterious sibling, the back post double crochet. This one tucks behind like it's shy. Yarn over. Insert your hook from the back, wrap it around the post of the stitch. Yarn over, pull through, complete as a double crochet. Peekaboo. This creates a gorgeous valley effect, perfect for ribbing, blankets, and all the cozy things. Mix and match these stitches to create stunning textures. Think ribbed scarves, cozy sweaters, chunky beanies. Even the most basic blanket becomes a masterpiece. And there you have it, front post and back post double crochet. 2 new tools for your crochet toolkit, ready to turn simple yarn into works of art. Thanks for spending this cozy moment with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your beautiful creations. I'd love to see them. Until next time, keep stitching, stay cozy, and be kind to yourself.